수업 시간 시작하겠습니다. Okay class, before we start our lesson, I have a video to show you. Let's watch it together. Click. Okay class, tell me, what did you see? Yes, building was shaking and the window was broken. And what happened? Yes, Minsu, there was an earthquake. There was an earthquake. And what did people do? Oh, people run away from the building. And they follow something. Do you remember? Oh, that's right. They follow the manual on the TV. That's good. They follow manual on the TV. Hey, well, how the manual was about? How the manual start with? Yes, it starts with a command. That's good. So today we are going to study about the manual for the earthquake. Okay? Very good. So this time everyone, now let's go to our reading text. Please look at material number 1. And then everyone, please read the text quickly and tell me the word you are not sure. Please tell me the difficult words for me. You cannot understand. Yes, Mingyo. You're not sure about evacuate. Evacuate. Anything else? No? Then let me explain how to do. Okay, let me give some example. Listen. Okay, when there is an earthquake and when there's a fire in our classroom, will you stay here and wait? No, you need to evacuate to the playground. One more time, when there is a fire in our classroom, you should evacuate to a safe place. Then class, can you get what does evacuate mean? Yes, Minji, run away. Very good. Usu, you're still not sure. Then, let me show you a video. Okay, look at video. In the video, people are evacuating from classroom because of fire. Youngsu, do you understand now? What does evacuate means? Yes, it means run away. Run away. Very good. Then let's think. Class. Then let's say there is a fire in our classroom. Then where can you evacuate? Jun. To the playground. Unsu. To the safe place. Myungjin. To the gym. That's very good. So now we understand the difficult word, and then let's go to our reading. Okay, this time we are going to read and find details. Alright class, now we all finished reading and finding details, and in this time let's check how well do you understand. Okay. How well do you understand the reading material? So, in the reading material, there were 10 important information when the earthquake happened. First one, before the earthquake, and what will you do, what you should do during the earthquake. Then, let's check the answer together. So, tell me class, what is the first action to prepare for the earthquake? Yes, Jisung. We should, secure items. That's great. Then, Eunji, do you have the same idea too? You think so too? You think too? Okay, then I will write down first action. We should secure items. That's good. Then what is the second action? Yes, Jin. We should know where is the fire extinguisher is. Great. Then let's see how others think. Yes, Jisoo. Do you agree too? Then now where the fire extinguisher? Fire extinguisher is. And now tell me what's the action when there during the earthquake? Yes, Minji. So it was drop, cover, and hold on. Very good. So now we all understand about this our details, and let me give you a feedback for you. Let me give you a feedback for these details. Everyone, I am so impressed. You did a really, really good job. Great job. So I'll give you 5 out of 5 and then give my big smile for you. Great job. And now, before we move on to our next activity, let's take a time to think, why do we need these actions? One more time. This time, let's take time and think, why do we need these actions before the earthquake and during the earthquake? Let's think about the first one. Do you think, why do we need secure items? Yes, Jian. Because in the earthquake, things can get shaken. Yes, things can shake. Then why? Why are we secure? Yes, Jian. When there's secure, things can fall on people. And then what happened? When item falls on people. Yes, Jian. Yes, people can be hurt. Okay. Then, class, why do we secure items? So to protect myself from fallen items. That's why. Then, let's go second action. Why do we need fire extinguisher? When the earthquake, because gas, there can be a fire. Okay, there can be a fire. Then, yes, Minsu, we need to put out the fire, and we need fire extinguisher. So, class, then once again, tell me, why do we need a fire extinguisher? Yes, we need to know where it is so we can put out fire when there is an earthquake. Great action. Then, now everyone, we understand. Now we know why we need these actions during and preparing the earthquake. Great job. And in this time, so we found out the manual in our book, and in this time, in our speaking activity, we are going to make our own manual. We are going to make our own manual. And this is the group work. This is the group work. So I'm going to put you in groups of 4. Okay, groups of 4. So you fall in the groups and groups. Okay, class, are you all with your groups? Very good. And then please look at material number 2 in your book. In the material, you will see there are 6 pictures, right? So there are 6 pictures. So in this time, we are going to practice to make manual. So in this time, with your group members, you are going to discuss about each picture, and you should make manual with 6 commands. Do you understand? Eunji, what do we need to make? Manual. Okay, but this time we make a manual for what? For the wildfire? No, for the earthquake. Thank you. And the manual has a special sentence. How the manual should start with? Yes, Kyungjin? That's right, start with command. Do you understand? That's good. Then, let me show you how to make one. Look at the first picture. I prepare same picture on the screen. Look at the screen. Click. So, in the same picture, class, tell me, what can you see? Yes, there is a table and people. And the people go into the table and wait. And this time, we need to make it in a short command for the earthquake. Then how can you make a sentence? It can be a, yes, drop and cover and hold on. Then class, do you all understand how to do this activity? Very good. I'm going to give you 10 minutes. Your 10 minutes starts now. Okay, 10 minutes start now. And also, alright, class, our time is up. And this time, we are going to listen to your 6 manuals. So, I give 1 more minute, choose one presenter and practice. Go! Time's up. Let's listen to your great ideas. Who wanna go first? It's Kyungmin. Great job. And lastly, Jinsu. Very good. Class, you all did great job. And then, let me give you feedback for this. Let me give you feedback for your speaking activity. So, first, about the content. Class, I am so impressed. You all did wonderful job and your 6 tools are very useful for the earthquake. So I will give you 5 out of 5 and also I give my big smile for you. Great job. But on your language, I found there are some common mistake in your language. So in this time, let's correct it together. I heard many of you said you will have a move away, from windows. But this is a good sentence, but as a manual, there is a one mistake. The class, can you find where is the mistake? Yes, Jin. Think of you will is the mistake. And can you tell me why? Yes, Kyungmin? Because this is a manual and start with a command. So we should remove this. Then class, can we correct this one together? It should be, that's right, move away from windows. So this is the, don't forget class, this is the manual. And the manuals should have command, start with verb, action. Do you understand? Very good. And then now, it is a time, now we practice to make our manual, and in this time, with your group members, we are going to make our manual for school. Our manual for school. So, this time let's make a manual. This time we also will work with your group members and look at material number 3. Number 3. And then it says 6 tips. And also there are 6 different marks. So in this time, we are going to talk with your group members and think about 6 tips. 6 tips for manual for our school. Once again, everyone, is it for the fire? No. Then what is this manual for? That's right, manual for earthquake. Manual for earthquake. And this is the manual and how the sentence should be. That's right, it should be a command. So, okay, do you understand? Let me say one more time. This time, you are going to talk with your group members and make 6 tips for our school manual for the earthquake. Kyungjin, can you tell me what are you going to do? Yeah, make school manual for earthquake. So now I will give you 15 minutes, okay? Then if you need my help, please call me. I'll go and help you. 15 minutes, let's go. Okay, Youngmin. So you cannot think about the idea. So think about when the building was shaken, what do you need to do? Stay here? No. Then? Yes, we should evacuate. Evacuate to where? To the safe place. Where the safe place? Playground. Good. Then how can you make sentence? Yes, please write. Talk and write. Very good. Oh, Unji. Okay, you understand? This is the manual for the earthquake. And how should a manual start with? Yes, it should have a command. And how to make a command start with? Yeah, it should be the verb. It's the action verb. Don't forget, okay? Alright, everyone, you have 1 minute. Class, our time is up. And before we start, okay, then I will show my criteria to check your writing. Okay, in my criteria there will be 3 sections. First one will be content. So, if your 6 tips are all is all about the earthquake, you will get 3 points. But 1 over 2 will missing will be 2 points. But if only 1 tip is about the earthquake, you only get 1 point. Okay? Next one is language. If your all 6 tips start with a command, you will get 3 points. But 1 over 2 not start with a command, you have only 2 points. And the language, you have no command, only 1 point. Last one is punctuation. Okay, English sentence start with a capital letter and with period. If all your sentence follow this, you will get 3. But if you want to miss 1 or 2, 0, only 1 point. Okay? Now, I will give you 2 minutes, so I have a chance to revise your writing based on my criteria. Okay? Take time and revise. 이것으로 수업 실험을 마치겠습니다.